Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my January favorites. So these are all my favorite beauty products at the moment. So if you want to see what those products are, just keep on watching. So a lot of these products I've actually been using on and off camera. Most of these have actually made debuts over on my Instagram and TikTok, where I do get ready with me's every single day for work. So if you want to watch those, if I mention any of those, they're going to be linked down below so you guys can check them out just to see what's going on, how these products wear, how they look when they're going on, and all of that. So any videos that I mention are always going to be in the description box below. I also do have a playlist of all my favorites videos down below. I'm going to put the one from last year. I'm also going to start a new playlist for this new year. So sometimes I tend to repeat products just because I really love them and because I want to talk about them and because I don't want to forget that I love these in the future. I might even do like a reacting to like my past favorites videos or like favorites products. I don't know, something like that. Let me know if you would be interested in watching that. Who knows? But a first product here are the I Heart Do lip oils from Shop Mascara. So these are again 2 lip oils that I have. I actually own all 4 of them. They have a couple of darker shades, but these lighter shades are definitely my most favorite. We have the first clear one in the shade Glass, and then we also have this one in Glow, and these are just so stunning. I love the big doe foot applicator. I love the actual packaging of these are really nice as well, and they just go on really nice and hydrating. Now if you're going to be doing a like no makeup all day kind of vibe and you want to throw these on, these are not going to last. That's the only thing. I use it for before my makeup. I want to throw something on that's going to give me a little bit of hydration for the moment, but like as an all day thing, these are definitely something that you're going to have to reapply throughout the day. I find that with a lot of other lip oils anyway. I don't know, let me know if you have one that kind of lasts throughout the day, but for me that's pretty normal. But if I do want to take these along with me on a no makeup day, I definitely will. These are really nice and just very nice and hydrating. Also love the packaging again, and these 2 colors are definitely my favorite from their line. Let me show you the other 2 they have as well. They also have these 2 darker shades. This one here is in Sugar Coat, which is a more orangey vibe, and then we also have the one in Bloom, which is the darkest, most like vampy one out of the 4. So it definitely just depends on your preference. There's nothing too dramatic of a difference between all 4 of these. This one's just like has a little more of a tint to it. These lip oils from Shop Mascara are pretty good. Next product's actually in my Shop My Stash for this month. It's the IBCC NDC Watermelon Niacinamide Serum. This is a highlighting serum. It is also an alleged dupe of the Glow Recipe serum drops or something. I actually have a like mini of that in my collection, which is this one here. Yeah, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dew Drops actually does come in a full size, which looks like so. I feel like this one is so nice, so hydrating. This is also super affordable because I did purchase it on TEMU. It's just so cute. If you want to have that vibe of the Glow Recipe without paying the price tag, I think you should definitely check this out. It's really nice. I wouldn't say it's like the most like hydrating thing in the world, but it's really good and I definitely have been going through it. It's really cute as well, and I love using it over on my TikTok and Instagram for my get ready with me videos. Before everything else goes on, this is the first thing that I throw on my face just as a nice like moisturizing kind of step, and it's just really nice. So I definitely enjoy this and I definitely recommend. So it's going to be a link down below if you want to check it out. Products are actually something that I've mentioned before on my channel. I always like when I see these, I just cannot wait to use them the next time. I'm like, I cannot wait to use this one specifically. This one is really nice as well. If you guys saw my get ready with me in Vegas video, I don't know if I took this the first time around. I did over on my TikTok, so it's going to be down below so you guys can see how this looks over top a pink lip. It looks stunning. But this one here is a Fantastic Beauty lip gloss in the shade Pretty Please. Jolly Jojo lip gloss. It's their hot lip gloss, and this one here is in the shade 05. So these are alleged dupes of the Fenty Beauty gloss bombs. These are so nice. Again, both of these are also from TEMU. Definitely recommend, especially this one here. The Jolly Jojo is stunning over top a nude lip, but specifically because I've been into my pink era and I've been doing a lot of pink looks. This is the one that I reach for the most. If you're on the market for a nice gloss, I think you're really gonna enjoy these from TEMU, so definitely check them out. Speaking of lip products, I also have these products here. I don't know why I feel like I just spoke about them. I did like a ranking my Dollar Tree purchases or something like that, and I think I talked about these in there, and these are definitely very much favorite lipstick products at the moment. These are I think these are from B Color, and they're just so beautiful, so pigmented that I just had to mention them again. If you are a Dollar Tree shopper, I think you're really much gonna enjoy these lipsticks. This is the one that's in my Shop My Stash at the moment. Also, I've done a couple of lip combo videos with this lipstick as well. This is definitely the lightest, and I don't like throw it on directly onto the lips. I do a lip liner, always a dark lip liner, especially with my skin tone, to combat that lightness. But it's really beautiful. They smell like chocolate. I'm telling you, it smells like an M&M. They smell amazing. And also just the quality with these are really nice as well. So if you're in the market, you're shopping at Dollar Tree and you happen to see these are actually really nice, and again, super pigmented, and they last on the lips as well, so nice. Completely forgot about this lip gloss. This is also another oldie but goodie, the AHA Revolution Cocoa Pebbles lip gloss. This is definitely one of those products that also came from Marshalls or TJ Maxx that was very much like reduced price, and I really love this product. Again, this one here is in Cocoa Pebbles, and it is the one in Betty. I think they had quite a few of these, but this is stunning, especially if you're doing like a nude, almost like a dusty rose lip on the more like brown side. I think you're really gonna enjoy this color. Stunning. Also smells like chocolate. Literally smells exactly like those lipsticks. I guess I'm like into chocolate scented products. I don't know, but this is so nice. Let me give it a swatch for you. It's just the most beautiful gloss. It's stunning. Again, more on that dusty rose pink kind of side. So if you're into those type of glosses, I think you're really gonna enjoy this. Stunning. It is a little sticky if you overdo it, so definitely take a light hand, but this is so good. A product that's kind of been under the radar in my collection is the LA Colors Fully Amped Mascara. It's been in my collection for maybe 2 months now. I don't know, but this is their full volume mascara, and it's just kind of been there. I use it, you know, occasionally for my get ready with me videos over on TikTok. I'll have a video down below of me using this. I really love the packaging. Is stunning, a nice chrome kind of vibe. I actually did purchase this from Family Dollar, super inexpensive. LA Colors, you guys know, is one of my favorite brands. Love the actual wand. It's nice and like thin, and it's just like perfect. And I really love the actual product itself. Gives me super voluminous lashes as well. So it just kind of went under the radar until I started using it more for my videos, because it is this pink shade. I do a lot of pink looks over there. So yeah, I ended up using this more, and it's just so nice. It's so easy to get it in there, just kind of like, and then it's like super quick and easy. It's just such a nice mascara. Also for my lower lashes, it's so quick and easy to just kind of wiggle it down there and go. Perfect. Super inexpensive. Again, LA Colors is such a great brand. Definitely check them out if you haven't already. Amazing. Love this mascara. So another product that I've been loving is this. You guys have seen this, I'm sure. The Mini Star Pro Contour Palette from TEMU. I actually do have their concealer on my under eyes. It's part of my new like TEMU haul, which is coming soon. But this is also from Mini Star, which I have again on the under eyes today. Mini Star, I found they have a lot of great products on TEMU. So if you're seeing them around there, check them out. They have this duo, which is a alleged dupe of the Wet n Wild contour duo situation, but this one is so good. As you can see, I already hit pan on it. So this one here is in, I believe, the shade 3. I don't know, but yeah, I really love this color here just to set my under eyes. I didn't use it today, but girl, I use it all the time. You guys have seen it if you guys have been on my channel, or again follow me, because I use it every single day. For the most part, this is what I'm using to set my under eyes, which is why I hit pan. And then I also do have the contour, which I've used occasionally. It's really nice as well, but for the most part, girl, this is what I'm using. Also my an SNS powder that I used today is also from TEMU. So a lot of the products that have become very much like staple products in my collection that I use all the time have been from TEMU. So definitely check them out, girl, because they're actually really good, and this one here has really blown me away. We also have some blushes from AOI Studio, which honestly I haven't really been talking a lot about Chamase recently. I don't know what it is. I recently placed a huge order on their website, so I do have a haul coming to me now. There's so many new products that I definitely had to try them out, so that is on the way to me now. But let's talk about these blushes here. If you have been looking on the site, I've been thinking about these are actually really nice and pigmented. I recently used this one here in Raku, and these are their Cherry Blossom powder blushes. Raku, and then we also have this one in Shuri. It's just so beautiful, super pigmented, so definitely take a light hand, but this has definitely become my favorite one here. This is so stunning, especially for the fall months. This is what I was using. It's just such a beautiful color. Both of them are stunning. I also do have a couple other shades, but these are definitely my favorites. If I had to pick one of these, I definitely have been into Raku the most. It's just stunning. I could have used it today, but so beautiful. If you're on the market for some blushes on Chamase, definitely check these from the Cherry Blossom collection. Check them out. They're stunning. I really like the packaging as well, because you can see the color that you're reaching for, and you don't have to open every single product. It's just so nice. So I definitely love these, and if I could go back, I would repurchase them again because they're just so good. Some other blushes that I included today are the SHEGLAM Care Bear blushes, girl. These are so cute. They're the most giftable, cute, fluffy, soft product that you can cuddle with. You can throw it on your face. It blends out really nicely. I'd say, like, with this type of color, definitely take a light hand because it is a little darker, as you can tell. But I do have 3 shades to show you guys. We have this light pink. I think this one here is in Peekaboo. I don't know, girl, I don't remember the names because the names are not on the actual product, because it is that fluffy kind of material. It's so cute. I literally, there was a time where I could not put these down. I was using them so much. I'm gonna have the review video down below where I actually did a video using the products from the SHEGLAM collection, so you guys can see everything in the collection. But out of everything, these are the ones that I reach for the most, and I kind of wish they would have came out with like a bronzer color because these are stunning. But we do have this one in Tickled Pink, which again is the dark shade. They don't have a mirror, so definitely keep that in mind if that's like a deal breaker for you. I also have this pink one, which honestly, again, I don't remember the names, but this is definitely the one that I reach for the most. And we also have this one here, which is their more like orangey kind of vibe, more wearable, which looks like that. I also have the video where I'm like swatching all of the products over on TikTok. It's also here on YouTube as well under my shorts, but I'm gonna have a link down below if you want to watch. These are so cute. Definitely recommend, if you know somebody in your life that loves Care Bears, definitely recommend check these out from SHEGLAM. These are so cute. Lastly, I don't know how many times over the course of my channel that I've mentioned this palette. I think I mentioned it in another favorites video. I use it all the time. It's in my shop, my stash now. It's just so good, girl. If you haven't tried Glam Light's eyeshadow formula, I'm like not big into, like, when people talk about formulas, I'm like, girl, like, whatever. Like, you know, I've tried like ColourPop, and people rave about ColourPop eyeshadows. I think they're good. I feel like Glam Light is better, in my opinion. I don't know. Let me know. Sound off in the comments. What do you think? Glam Light versus ColourPop. But in my opinion, I feel like Glam Light is better than a lot of brands that I've tried thus far in my life. And now you guys know I do a lot of affordable beauty, so I'm not out there trying the Pamagraphs of the world and all of those type of palettes. But I think this is like one of my top favorite formulas in my collection. Like, I know when I reach for Glam Light, I'm getting something good. You know, it's super pigmented, it's blendable. I'm gonna have a beautiful look with stunning shimmer shades. When I go to TJ Maxx and Marshalls, when I see a Glam Light palette, I'm like, like, that's like one of the just formulas that I know, like, I'm gonna buy this and I know I'm gonna use it because it's so good. So this is one of the palettes that I was kind of hesitant about purchasing. You know, you guys know I love Barbie. Okay, cute, you know, packaging is cute. Now I was like, am I gonna get a lot of use out of this? I don't know, but girl, yes I have. So far in my life I've used this quite a few times. Now it does throw off the balance, the color balance of the camera because of the blue tones, but girl, this is stunning. You get wearable shades, you get colorful shades. It's like one of my favorite colorful palettes in my collection. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look right now, but the shimmer shades, girl, in here, I have gotten the most compliments when I wear these shimmers on my eyes. They're super pigmented, they're nice and shimmery, and they just look stunning, almost fairy-like on the eyes. So it's definitely something that stands out, as well as their matte shades in here are really nice and blendable as well. Really love the pink tones in here, the purples, the blues. Everything about this palette is beautiful. Let me show you guys how it looks. It's just so beautiful. So if you've been eyeing it out, I definitely recommend try it out. I definitely reach for this palette more than my ColourPop Barbie palette that's like right behind me. To be honest, it's like one of my favorite Barbie palettes in my collection. Really love this. So that is it. That was the last product for today's video. Let me know, are any of these products your favorite type of products to use on your face? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys love, do you guys hate them? Again, ColourPop versus Glamlight. I love Glamlight, it's so good. But anyway, that was the last product. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I'm gonna create a playlist for this new year. I'm gonna have my old playlist down below if you want to check out my past beauty favorites videos. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.